family, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm extremely overwhelmed this rising. And I was just thinking how you don't know the more character or the more compass of a person until they get the opportunity to hold the gun, to hold the whip. That's when you can tell how good a person is. Because if they just talking, you say, oh yeah, they'll be this type of person. Give them the opportunity. See if they evil or not. I'm not evil, fam. I'm not. I get angry, over certain things, but I'm not evil. I'm not gonna do nothing evil to nobody. I'm just not gonna do it. You know what I mean? I won't mess with you, and whatever happened to you, that happened to you, but I'm not gonna cause it. I'm not gonna, I feel I'm God over my life, not over no one else's. What you do with your life is what you do with it, fam. But some people, fam, you don't know their character. You don't know who they are till they get the opportunity to hold the gun, to hold the whip. And instead of them having an opportunity to save someone or have mercy, fam, they want judgment. They want to pay you for what everybody else did to them. Not you. They want to pay you for everybody else what they did. And then they'll put you in the story on some little BS. And then you came and did this, so I'm going to destroy you. Bro, I tell you what, fam. We got to watch who we love, fam. We got to watch who we love. Because 9 times out of 10, the person that's going to destroy you or going to cause your demise is going to be somebody you loved.